after what was a rough weekend weather-wise in North Texas with tornadoes and tragedy all around, the Waterbrook 200 building stands. Good construction here, and this is the last week of 2015, so here's your last construction update for 2015. Tile work continues in the bathrooms, and they're starting to look real good, as well as the splash large group room, the big group room, now has the ceiling painted, so it's starting to get closer and closer to being ready to go. I'm standing here in the Wave large group classroom, and you'll see that all the drywall is now up in the building, which is really exciting, and the ceiling grids have gone in as well, and that includes the HVAC ductwork, that includes the sprinkler system is in, that includes the light fixtures are all in the classrooms. So with those ceiling grids, that's taken us up a whole new level. We're getting closer to needing your help and involvement in the days ahead. It's almost time to start painting and some other projects that you can help along with on this building. We're really excited. Keep praying, keep giving to the building fund, and we're not too far away, just a few weeks from getting into the new 200 building at Waterbrook. Thanks for joining us on this journey.